Air sealing before drywalling is a total game changer for keeping your home cozy and stopping those annoying drafts from sneaking in. Alright, so here's the deal. First off, caulk every crack and joint you see, like seriously. Don't skip any spots because even tiny gaps can turn into draft highways when the weather gets wild. Use spray foam around windows, doors, and especially where the wall sheathing meets the studs. That's where air loves to creep in. For wiring, make sure you give cables some slack with wider turns when they go through drilled holes so you don't stress the wires or damage the insulation seal. Don't forget about sealing the garage too, because it's usually a big source of leaks if you ignore it. After drywall goes up, it's smart to add foam from the attic side to cover any spots you missed or that settled. Also, think about your home's air pressure balance. Too much positive or negative pressure can cause moisture problems or make your HVAC work harder. Using vapor open house wraps like Henry VP100 or zip sheathing instead of regular plastic wraps lets your walls breathe better while still sealing out drafts. Lastly, if you're dealing with pests like springtails, sprinkle boric acid powder between the studs before drywalling to keep them at bay. One of the biggest mistakes with air sealing before drywalling is skipping small gaps or joints. People think they're no big deal, but they add up and ruin your energy savings. Fix that by caulking everything you find and foam sealing bigger gaps. Another common issue is ignoring pressure balance in the house, which can cause mold or make your heating and cooling less effective. The fix is installing fresh air intakes and planning ventilation carefully. The third mistake is using non-breathable house wraps that trap moisture inside your walls, leading to rot or mold. Swapping those for vapor open wraps or fluid-applied coatings solves this problem and keeps your walls healthy. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding the right person for your project. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by matching them with homeowners who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to win.